Many of you have pages that you don't want them anymore and you want to delete it. You don't know how to delete your own Facebook page that you don't need any longer. So watch this video closely, step by step, and know how to delete your own Facebook page. Follow the step and please like and drop a comment in the comment section. Share this video. Thank you. Let's watch how to delete your own Facebook page. Open your Facebook app. Click this image. Click this setting and click page settings. Look for access and control. Scroll down. Look for access and control. Access and control. Click this small button, deactivate and delete. Deactivation and deletion. Click it. It's either you want to delete it permanently or you want to deactivate. Select any of it that you want, or if you want to just deactivate your page, select the first one. But if you want to permanently delete it, select this second option and click continue. So, and follow the rest of the instruction. I am not going to complete it because I don't want to delete my page. So if you want to delete yours, follow the instructions that follows next and your page will be deleted. Thank you for watching.